Hello, I'm Brianna Wilson, and I'm going to be showing you the Bulb app today. It is an online digital portfolio that can be used by teachers and students. If you just do a quick Google search of the Bulb app, it'll take you right here to the URL my.bulbapp.com. You can click it, and this is what the home page looks like. You can scroll down to read a little bit more about it. Or you can sign up for free. I've already created an account, but when you sign up, it just asks for the general sign up information, first name, last name, your role. It does say down in the plans and pricing that educators are given Bulb Plus accounts for free. So instead of having to pay $30 a year, teachers get it for free. So just make sure that when you're signing up that you are clicking your role as an educator or a teacher. So I'll go ahead and log in. And here you can see my home page that I've created. This is my digital portfolio, and this is what students' digital portfolios will look like as well. You can see it has a spot for the name, a brief bio, a picture, and a cover image. So it's really personalizable, which is really good for students to show off their own little personalities. There's two ways that I really envision that this would work really well in a classroom. The first way is just as a digital portfolio. So you can see here I created a writing samples collection, and then under the collection I've created some pages. And so in this writing sample collection, I've created 2 pages. An end of the year reflection, which just has a few sentences that I've written, and then also a narrative writing page that I have not published yet. You can see it's not published because it's grayed out. And here I'm going to show you what it kind of looks like to add stuff. So you can add a cover image. You can do this from your files, a web search, all these awesome options. And then here you can just start typing. So maybe you are doing a narrative writing unit and students are writing about a personal experience. And maybe they want to add an image of that personal experience. Or when they're all done writing, maybe they wrote on pencil and paper, you want them to upload an image or a video of them reading it or telling the story, or an audio file. They can do all that from here. When it is published, you can add comments, you can have likes so students can share their writing with each other, with their parents, with their teachers. So that's one thing I really like about this. Whenever you want to just go back to the main page, we'll publish later, you just hit this little bulb icon. And here's the other way that I kind of see it working in a classroom really well, is as a template. So this would be on a teacher page, and you can see I created math problem solving as one of my collections. And then a page under this was my lesson 1 application problem. So I would share this template with my students. Here I can share it with them. Here students will hit use template. Here's the application problem. Students can upload an image of their work, an audio explanation of their work. They could also record themselves doing it, but I think it really allows for nice feedback from other students and from each other, so students can hear the thinking of their classmates throughout the learning of this. So I really like that for it. I think one other thing that's really awesome about this website is just how it can branch from very simplistic to very detailed and extreme. So thinking with the levels of Bloom's taxonomy, it can be very simple as, here I'm going to go and locate something and I'm going to read it. Or I'm going to match something on here. But it can also go all the way up to the other end of the creating end of the spectrum, or evaluating, where they are analyzing which pieces do they want to add to their portfolio, critiquing themselves, and also collaborating with others, which I think is a really great thing in this math problem solving, is they'll have the ability to collaborate with others and really view other students' thinking. I think it also branches through the SAMR model very well too. It could go on either end of the spectrum. It could just be in place of a binder. Students collect their writing samples here instead of in a binder. Or it could go up as far as in the 2 transformation levels, the modification and redefinition, where students are using this to create new things and new ideas. So I think this is a really great thing. I really appreciate that it is available on iPads, which is what our school uses. So this is available on the on the internet or on iPads. You do need Wi-Fi to use it and to access it, but I really think that this could be something that is very cool for educators to try out and let students kind of get a feel for the things that they want to share, but also allow teachers to use it in a way to benefit their teaching as well.